Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to clear all browsing history on Google Chrome using the latest updated steps. Whether you want to protect your privacy or just clean things up, this will only take a minute. First, go ahead and open the Google Chrome app on your device. Once you're inside the browser, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots. This opens the main menu where all your Chrome settings are located. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's settings panel, where you can control everything from passwords to privacy. Next, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome stores all the options related to your data and activity. Now tap on Clear Browsing Data. You'll see a screen with different types of data you can remove, like cookies, cached files, and browsing history. Make sure that browsing history is checked. If your goal is to completely remove your activity, you can also select other options. But browsing history is the key one here. After that, tap on Time Range. A list will appear with different time options like last hour, last 24 hours, and more. To erase everything, select All Time. Once that's set, go ahead and tap on Clear Data. Chrome may ask you to confirm your action, so just confirm to proceed.